In 2021, Shiba Inu did 60 million percent, and people made life-changing money. Meme coin is one of the crypto assets or tokens or coins that can make you a life-changing money if you know how to buy them early and how to sell them. In this video, I'll be teaching you and guiding you on how to buy Solana meme coins and how to make profit by doing so. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel, comment and share it with others. And if you are not new to this channel, kindly comment, share with others and like this video. Let's get there. There are about 3 or more steps that you need in order to buy meme coins from the Solana ecosystem. Okay, the first is knowing where to get the contract address of the meme coin, where to get the contract address of the meme coin. There are 2 platforms that we use, 2 or more, but I will show you 2. Okay, we have Dex2. For example, these Dex tools help you to track new tokens and also to know the information about the token, to also help you to conduct research about a new token. This is a meme coin called When, currently on When, and I can see I have all the necessary information that I need in order to make informed decision about this meme coin. Okay, and here is the contract address. Okay, you see pair and you see the When. Okay, the only token, this contract address is the one that you use. Okay, that is the first option. So the second option is to go to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko and search for the coin When. Okay, you search for the coin When, and this is the ticker. So it will bring up the page. Then you scroll to bring the page. Then you go down by the left hand side, the contract. So you copy it and use it. So once that is done, the next step is to go and the URL for Jupyter Exchange is jup.ag. Jup.ag. Ensure you don't use a fake link. Ensure you use the correct link. Is jup.ag. So now that we have copied the contract address from either Dex2 or from the CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, we'll go to Jupyter Exchange. Okay, so when you come to Jupyter Exchange, there are features. Jupyter Exchange is a decentralized exchange in the Solana ecosystem. So that means you can buy coins, any coin that is listed, that is any smart contract or the app that is built, any coin token that is built on the Solana ecosystem, you can buy it through Jupyter Exchange. Now we have 2 features that we'll be using. We have swap and we have limit order. Okay, swap is, for example, when there's a new coin that is listed and you believe that the price is okay to buy, then in that case you go get the contract address, and you go there and you swap from sold to the coin. Now, but before this time, you have funded your wallet. Okay, this is my wallet. We are not teaching wallet today, but I assume that you understand that you must fund your wallet with SOL. Okay, now I have some SOL here. You must fund your wallet with SOL, maybe $100 or 1 SOL or 2 SOL based on your financial capacity. Okay, now I have funded my SOL. I have funded my Phantom wallet with SOL. Okay, now I want to use the swap feature to swap from the SOL I have to the coin, to the When coin. So I will paste the contract address here. You can see that the token is out. Now click on half. Okay, so once I click on half, I'll click on swap. Okay, so now let me explain something here. So it is in this place, you will not necessarily click on half. You may just put in 1 SOL based on the amount you want to spend. It may be 2 SOL. Okay, it may be 3 SOL. It may be 0.1. It may be 0. Okay, depending on the amount you want to spend. Okay, so but in this case, let me use half as okay as an illustration. Okay, now it's asking for approval. Okay, I'm to approve this. Okay, then I'll just click on the approval. Okay, I'll go back and start afresh. Okay, let me start afresh so you can see what I'm trying to talk about. Okay, okay, so let's do it again. I'm swapping half of my soul, and I'll be getting okay, that half is equivalent of $1, and I'll be getting 2,952 okay when token. So what I will do, I'll click on swap. Now you can see yeah it's this pop-up is from Jupyter Exchange. Okay, it's asking me to confirm. So once I click on confirm, I will swap my soul to when. Okay, and that is it. So once you have made profit and you want to take your profit, you do the opposite. You convert from when to so, and that will be it. Okay, so this is how to use the swap future. So we'll look at how to use the limit order in our next okay in the next okay shortly we'll look at that. Okay, so let's go back. So on what condition do you use the limit order? Limit order simply means you want to buy a particular asset at a particular price. Okay, probably there's a meme coin or a token that is listed and the price has gone high and you want it to retrace to a certain price before buying it. Okay, for example, look at this chart. Okay, one thing about Dexter is that you can use Dexter to do your technical analysis. Okay, look at this chart. You can see that this is support. Okay, so when has risen up to this amount. Okay, and you want to buy at this amount. This is your interest. This is where you want to buy at 0.0003101. Okay, so what we can do is that we can set it up and put this price so that when the price of when get there, we can swap our soul to when. So let's do that now. So we'll go to Jupyter Exchange and click on limit order. Okay, so in this limit order, um, okay, in this limit order, we are swapping from soul, which you are off, and we are swapping to when we've already copied the contract address, we just paste here. Okay, and so at what price do we want to buy? We want to buy at this price. Okay, 3096 3096 3096. Okay, at 3096. Okay, we want to buy when at okay, so let's say this is the price at which we want to buy. Okay, we want to buy it at this price. Okay, let me go and look at it again. When so I want to buy at 310. Okay, so let's just assume this is the price we want to buy, and this is the amount we want to buy. Okay, we want to buy one soul. Okay, once the price of when get to this amount, we want to buy at this. We want to buy 1 unit of soul. We want to buy it. So what we'll do once we have set it up, now you see expiry. So for how long do you want it to? Do you want the price to retrace? Is it in the next 10 minutes or in the next 1 hour, in the next 1 day, 3 days, 7 days? You can see 30 days. You can also customize it and put maybe the next 24 hours, okay, and 30 minutes, 24 hours and 30 minutes. Set it. So you have said it. So you're saying 1 day and 30 minutes. You want the order to expire. So once you have done that, you come and so let's use the amount I have here. Okay, as a case study, then you see it. Okay, place order. You place order, and the order will open. Then once the price of once the price of when get to this point, it will hit and you will buy. Okay, you buy when, and there will be a holder of when. Then once you have made your profit, you come and convert your WEN. Okay, convert all the WEN you have. So you have 2 million WEN. Okay, you convert it to you convert your WEN to SOL, and that is how to make money by buying and selling Solana meme coin. Okay, if you find this video interesting and educative, kindly subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share with other persons. There's a video on this on top of this channel that talk about how to use Phantom wallet and how to use it to make money. Kindly watch it and and you will find it very valuable. Okay, CoinDollar is a community. We have a community that we will provide alpha, free alpha and signals. Kindly join by clicking on the link in the description section. Bye.